epic. Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, another Tuesday short video, and today we're gonna fix that angle on the brake pedal. The solution is basically for all F3s with the floorboards, not only F3 Limited, but also in case you have F3 or F3s with the floorboards. The angle of the brake pedal, it's completely wrong. It's a anchor breaker actually. So what we're gonna do in today's video, we're gonna install this brake rod that we have on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. We have positioned the longest one, I believe it's 5, 4, middle, and -1, and basically it will lower like this the brake pedal. So how to install it and what's the final result, you will find out in today's video. Enough of this guys, first 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit around, straight to the point. Let's get started. All right, as for the installation, this is the new rod. It's shorter, it will allow us to have a better angle for our ankle. Now what we need to do, it's very simple. We need to remove bolt here. We need Allen 5 size 10 of these, and then after we remove the back one, we can rotate the brake pedal and remove the bolts on the brake rod in the front. Now my one advice, have a look how loose the, can you see it, how loose the bolt is. Make it tight the same way when you will put the new brake rod there, just because you don't want your brake pedal to be stuck. It happens a lot when you over tight the bolts. Your brake pedal, it's still on kind of a little bit, and then your brake lights are on and it drains the battery, so be careful about that. Now just raise the brake pedal, bring your bolt here, and let's do the same thing. There we go. Now it doesn't matter which side goes front and back, so back on. So we have our brake rod, new brake rod installed, new angle is there, and you know what, actually I will call Polly to tell us what he thinks about this upgrade. It's also raining outside and I ain't gonna go outside. So Polly, can you come here please? Sure. It's Polly. Polly is doing packaging for you today. Hello. Polly, grab something, clean the seat because it's raining outside. I'm sorry, you need to go outside. One? Yeah, oh, okay. And have a seat on the, it's just bloody me, I'm going outside as well. So have a seat, get your ass wet. Maybe not, we'll see. Alright, now have the feeling for the brake and the angle.
It's hurting my knee.
It's not knee, it's ankle, but anyway.
From both, yeah. My muscle.
I'm just trying to be smart ass. Anyway, so you got a feeling of this? Yeah. That's the stock one. Alright, now let's go to the upgrade. I'm wondering what you're gonna say. He's always complaining, so hopefully you will not complain, because we need to sell these brake rods.
Oh, much better. Because I keep my foot like that on the side, so it's not much of a movement and it's very comfortable. So it won't damage any of my leg.
So guys, that's pretty much it. Actually, Polly told you how good is that upgrade. Installation very simple. MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. It's the place where you can get it. And in case you would like to ride our bikes, tourson3.com, and I can be your personal tour guide. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun.